Welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Chris.
I'm Kristen.
And we are Keto in the Country.
This is your channel for a smart, healthy, whole food approach to keto. So this is our last episode of our immune boosting series, and today we're gonna be making a power lunch. It is chicken salad like you've never had before and a delicious immune boosting smoothie.
We know everybody has recipes for their chicken salad. Everybody has their own thing, but you haven't tasted this.
So I think everybody knows that chicken is healthy, but I didn't know the other health benefits besides it just being a great source of protein. For example, I never knew that it helps to reduce the risk of arthritis. To me, that's super important.
So it's an anti-inflammatory.
Exactly. It has a lot of vitamin B.
Yeah.
It fights cancer. It's just a great thing to incorporate and so easy to use in so many recipes.
It also has vitamin E and vitamin K.
Yes.
It has selenium, which is also an anti-inflammatory. So I think chicken's a little healthier
than we assumed.
Yeah.
It's not just protein.
So together with this recipe, did I just interrupt you? I'm sorry.
No.
Together with this recipe, we've incorporated crunchy vegetables.
Yes.
It is delicious. Kristen made, it's a strawberry dressing to mix in there. And when I saw her doing that, I'm like, oh, okay, that's interesting.
I can tell when she doesn't approve of something or when she's kind of like, what were you thinking? But this one paid off.
Oh man, did it pay off. I've made her make it several times.
It's awesome. Yeah.
It's delicious.
So it's a really unique spin on chicken salad, and I think this is one of those great things to keep in the refrigerator, have on hand at all times as like an emergency food when you're starving.
Yeah. And now the vegetables that we put in it, radishes, which are super healthy. It has vitamin A, E, C.
Yes, and then, sun-dried tomatoes, also packed with vitamins.
Packed with vitamin A.
Super healthy, and I think that the radishes give it a nice crunch. The sun-dried tomatoes just do something for it. I'm not positive what, but I love them in there.
I just like them.
Yeah.
And also, surprisingly, celery. It's so important that we get our electrolytes when you're doing keto. Celery has all of them.
And
potassium, magnesium, sodium.
Yes, and don't throw out those leaves because they are packed with flavor.
Yeah. So
that, and then our little powerhouse smoothie, we are throwing in some matcha, strawberries, if you want to throw in a few blueberries.
Tell them about the matcha.
So one serving of matcha is equivalent to having 10 cups of green tea. You are ingesting the entire leaf when you're drinking matcha, and so you're getting all of the vitamins and benefits from that. I think that's awesome.
And these days we have to have a healthy immune system. There's too much stuff. We're exposed to tons of viruses every day, bacteria, so we have to keep up our immune system.
And matcha is an interesting flavor. I don't think that the first time I drank it, I just loved it, but as I drank it over and over again, I wanted to do it just because matcha looks healthy, and so
because it is.
And over time, it was like an acquired taste. I just started to love it, and now the flavor is incredible to me. So we're gonna show you guys how to quickly prepare these 2 easy recipes that are super good for you.
So this is another one of those recipes that are great for non-keto people.
Totally. So we're gonna go ahead and taste this for you. This is something that I know I will want to make all the time because it's just so satisfying.
It is that strawberry. You know what it is about the strawberry? You know, in my chicken salad, I like grapes or the cran raisins, you know, just that little touch of sweet. That's what it does.
Right, but I think it adds something really unique, and it's such a fresh taste.
Yeah, it's crunchy, so you have the little crunch going on.
Yeah, and for those non-keto people, they can throw in a few grapes or whatever they want. Our smoothie. Now, Christy is not really a smoothie drinker.
When I eat, I like to eat. I want food.
Yeah, but I used to love like going to restaurants and getting like a half smoothie, half salad or whatever, half smoothie, half sandwich. And so that's kind of what this is for you today. I love smoothies. I think that it's a great way to get in a ton of nutrients in like one quick little glass. Which
this recipe does.
Yes.
She's got tons of great, healthy, immune boosting things in here.
Right, and it is unusual because of the matcha flavor, but you know, I also think that adding like a little bit of cinnamon on mine, I put it in everything because cinnamon is so healthy.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, so we're gonna try it. It's gonna be a surprise. It was so hard to get it out of that straw because it's so thin. You can taste that
matcha. I taste the matcha, but it's not bad.
It's
because
not
with
overpowering.
the berries, no.
With the berries,
did you put cinnamon in here?
Cinnamon, I put a little bit of vanilla, and you can really add whatever you want. I put some lemon in there just to give it like a bright flavor. And I think it's very satisfying. It actually will fill you up a lot. The coconut milk is incredible for you, but you can use almond milk if you want.
Also has electrolytes.
Yes, or you could use flax milk. Chrissy has just started trying that, and you know, I thought it would have a funky taste, but it doesn't. And everything that you're gonna put in this smoothie is going to mask any kind of funkiness. But you guys, you can taste that this is so healthy.
We're not making smoothies. This is really good.
This combination we think is just absolutely perfect. It wraps up our series of immune boosting recipes. These are all things that we can all eat all year long.
Yeah.
But
remember, if you're always cooking and eating with fresh, organic when possible, grass-fed beef, grass-fed chicken, all natural, you're going to boost your immune system.
Absolutely.
So these were just special recipes for this time of the coronavirus.
Yes.
So we hope you enjoyed them. If you like our recipes, if you like us, please share.
Yes.
Like, subscribe, hit that little bell if you want to hear from us every time we come out with a recipe, which is sometimes twice a week.
Yeah. And as always, thank you to our subscribers. We love you guys. You guys are incredible. Stay healthy, stay keto, and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
This is really good.
You think?
Mm-hmm.
Series kind of, I was gonna say, don't you else say the powered with a, or, okay. Should we do the whole thing?
Somebody was talking.
I know, I just heard that.